Good afternoon. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve linear equation with variable on both sides. Yesterday, I taught you how to solve linear equation with one variable. Today, we're going to see the difference between linear equation with one variable and linear equation with variable on both sides. So, when you solve linear equation with one variable, you should subtract the numbers from both sides. But when you solve linear equation with variable on both sides, you should start subtracting or adding the variable first, okay? The variable first. The only exception, you subtract the variable first when you have a linear equation with variable on both sides. So let's start with the first example to see how it's going to be easy when solving linear equation with variable on both sides. Alright, let's start the first example. We have a 6r plus 7r plus 7 equal 14 plus 7r. Alright, as I said, this is a linear equation with variable on both sides. So we're going to subtract the variable first, okay, before we start with numbers. Let's subtract the variable first. Let's subtract 6r from both sides. 6r from both sides. Because we start with the variable first. 6r, positive 6r, negative 6r is cancel. Bring down 7. So bring down 14. So you have 7r, subtract 6r, that's going to be r. Alright? So we're going to subtract 14. We continue to subtract because we have a positive 14 right here. Let's subtract 14 from both sides. Alright, there's positive 14 and negative 14. That's going to be cancelled. So bring down r. So that's sign. So when you subtract 7 from negative 14, that's going to be negative 7. So r equal negative 7. That's it. So only thing you have to remember, when you solve linear equation with variable on both sides, you need to start subtracting or adding the variable first, okay, and there to make your equation simple. Alright, let's start with the second example. Okay, second example. Okay, the second example is 14 8x equals 2 minus x. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna start subtracting or adding the variable first. Okay, we're gonna add x from both sides because we have a negative x right here. We're gonna start adding x from both sides. Let's adding x from both sides. Okay, so negative x, positive x, that cancel right here. So bring down 2. So when you subtract x from negative 8x, that's going to be negative 7x. Okay, is 14. Alright, so now we have 14, negative 7x equal 2. Now we can do very good work because our equation is reduced. We can do very simple work. Let's subtract 14. We can subtract 14 from both sides. So this 14 cancel. Bring down negative 7x. So that's gonna be negative 10. Alright. So now we do not finish yet. We need to divide it by negative 7 and then to have x. Okay. Our goal is to have x. Okay, let's divide it by negative 7 from both sides. Negative 7, negative 7. So now that's cancel down x. So it's going to be negative 10 over negative 7. So we do not finish yet because we have negative, negative. That's going to be positive. Okay, 10 over 7. That should be your answer. Alright, that's very easy if you follow this method is subtracting the variable first, okay? Let's do the third one. Before we do the third exercise, let's use work. Alright, use the work. Clean the board. Let's clean the board for you. Let's clean the board. Okay. Alright. Let's start with number 3. Number 3 is negative 10x, negative 10x, negative 3x, minus negative 3x, equal negative 5x, negative 8. It's becoming a very long equation, but do not panic because you know the rules, you know the method, how to solve this equation. What we're going to do first, because we have like terms right here, because they are the same, we're going to do a little work right here. So we have negative 10x, negative 3x, that's going to be negative 13x, okay? Those two, negative 13x equal negative 5x, negative 8. Now it's reduced, okay? We reduce our equation. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start adding variable first. Let's add 5x both sides. Because we have a negative 5x right here, we come with a positive 5x. Okay, that's very simple. So this one is gonna be negative 8x. Negative 8x. We subtract. So this one is cancelled. Negative 8. So our long equation become very simple. Okay, very simple. What we're gonna do now, we have to divide by negative 8 and then to have x, okay? But we have to do that both sides. So divide by negative 8. Okay, so negative 8, that cancel, bring down 8, bring down x, okay? So negative 8 divided by negative 8, that's 1, okay? That's the answer. Very good. Because you know you have to subtract the variable first. Don't be confused, okay? Alright. So the last one, the last equation is going to be negative 10x, negative 10. Do that. Negative 10, negative 10, negative x equal negative x, negative 6x. Alright, it's another long equation. Do not panic because you know the method how to solve linear equation when you have variables on both sides. Okay, so when I look at my equation, I see there are two like terms right here. Okay, right here, they are the same terms. Because they are the same, I need to do something right here. Okay, I'm gonna combine those two. So let me write this down. Negative 10, negative x equal. So you have x, 1x right here. 1x subtract negative 6x, that's gonna be negative 5x. Alright? So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna start adding the variables, okay? I can do that. I can add x from both sides. X from both sides. So it's gonna be, this one is cancelled, bring down negative 10. So that's gonna be negative 4x. Alright? We do not finish yet. Okay, I need x. I need this x right here. In order to have x, I need to divide by the coefficient. The coefficient is negative 4. Okay. Some mistakes, students used to do that mistake. For example, they divide by 10 the number. No, you divide by the coefficient. The coefficient is negative 4. I'm gonna divide by negative 4 on both sides. Okay, divide by negative 4 both sides. So this one's going out. So you have negative 10 over negative 4 equal x. So we do not finish yet. Okay, I need to simplify. So let me simplify by 2. Alright, divide by 2, divide by 2. Negative 10 divided by 2, that's going to be negative 5. That's going to be negative 4 divided by 2, that's going to be negative 2. Okay, so, okay, negative, that's going to be positive, okay? That's simple. X equals 5 over 2. That's the answer, okay? Alright, because, you know, I think this is not difficult. That's not bad. What you have to do, all my videos, you will find them on my website. My website is, you can just type Nunges Mac and then you will see all my videos. That's very easy. Or you can type all the website, you will find all my videos. When you finish watching all my videos, please share my videos. Give me a like, you know, and then to continue to do the videos for you, the free math videos. Okay, that's free. Okay, only thing I need you do for me is share my videos and like them. That's it. I will continue to do the free math video for you. Thank you so much. All right.